This is a repair attempt for a Larry and Jane Grace. Claim number is going to be 071-665-5675. We're on the front slope. You've got some wind damage kind of all over. So right here in this area is where we're actually going to be replacing this shingle. So nail pull through. Nail pull through. Nail pull through. Go ahead and nail those back down. The nails. Once we get the new one in. Shingle. Make sure I get it lined up good. A few nails. It's hard to do this with one hand. That one's creased. That one's creased. That one right there's creased as well. Seal these back down. When I had to take this shingle out, I had to remove the nails out of this shingle that were through this shingle, so now I got to nail this shingle back on. You notice I had to take all the nails out so I could get that shingle out. So, since these See if we can nail that down. Again, that one's creased now. That one's creased. It's got chalk on it. It's hard to see, but you got a crease right there. And then this one as well. Crease right here at the top. Material asphalt transfer. That'll never stick back down. Material asphalt transfer. You got rocks and chunks of asphalt on the bottom of this shingle. So that'll never seal back down. Material asphalt, material asphalt, material asphalt, material asphalt, material asphalt transfer. Notice that one's clean. Fail repairability. Three shingles. 2 shingles.